Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Audi RS7 versus Nissan GT-R. Let's dive into what makes these two performance machines unique, helping you decide which one best suits your driving desires. We'll explore their engines, handling characteristics, and interior comforts to give you a comprehensive overview. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which high-performance vehicle aligns with your priorities. When it comes to raw power, both vehicles deliver exhilarating performance. The Audi RS7, with its powerful 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, offers 621 horsepower and impressive torque. Meanwhile, the Nissan GT-R's 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine generates 600 horsepower, known for its aggressive acceleration. Both cars can hit 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds, making them incredibly fast and thrilling to drive. Beyond raw speed, the driving experience diverges significantly. The Audi RS7 excels in daily usability, offering a plush, sophisticated interior and a smooth ride, perfect for long journeys. Its advanced all-wheel drive system ensures confident handling in various conditions. The Nissan GT-R, however, prioritizes a raw, engaging connection to the road, feeling more like a race car for the street. It's a thrilling, albeit firmer, experience designed for maximum driver involvement. Considering value, the Audi RS7 often starts around $127,000, offering a blend of luxury and performance. The Nissan GT-R, with its track pedigree, typically begins near $122,000. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize opulent comfort and daily practicality or unadulterated, track-ready excitement. Both are incredible machines, but cater to different desires. Check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.